Do you have your IELTS test soon and need to prepare? Not sure where to find the best resources? Concerned you aren't using materials that match the way IELTS is assessed? Well, don't worry, we've got you covered. Hello and welcome back. My name's Claire, and in this British Council IELTS preparation video, we're going to show you some top tools and resources to help you get ready for your IELTS test and achieve the score you need. First up is the TakeIELTS official YouTube channel. This channel was designed by the British Council to help test takers like you take IELTS with confidence. Whether you have a month, a week, or just a few days before your test, we're here to help you focus on what really matters. Our video format is perfect for quick, effective learning, helping you engage visually and cover more ground in less time. If you're here watching this video now, why not subscribe? There are lots of videos on the channel to help you understand what is needed for every part of the test. If you're short on time, why not start with our IELTS test format ultimate guide? You'll learn all about the structure of the IELTS test with an overview of the different sections, how long each section will last, and how it will be scored. Each section is separated into an easy-to-follow guide, helping you understand what to expect the day of your IELTS test. If you want to go into a bit more detail, you could also watch this video on the writing section, where we explore some useful tips and practice questions for IELTS Writing Task 1 and Task 2. There are a number of videos about the speaking section too. In this one, for example, you'll learn how to answer the initial IELTS speaking questions to get your test off to a good start. To view all the videos available, check out the playlist. You could even make your own study playlist of the most relevant videos and then watch them back to back, or even increase the playback speed if you're in a rush. That way, you can cover a lot of material quickly. Okay, let's move on. If you really want to supercharge your preparation, the British Council offers IELTS Ready Premium, your complete preparation toolkit for test success. IELTS Ready Premium is free to access when you book your IELTS test with the British Council. With more than 80 hours of preparation materials in multiple formats, it offers the most effective preparation for achieving your best score. But you don't have to book your IELTS test to start preparing. If you're not sure about booking your test yet, then IELTS Ready Member is the choice for you. It provides you with free access to essential resources, including 6 practice tests, and it is completely free. You can access it anytime you need it from the TakeIELTS website. Let's look at both options in detail to help you decide the right one for you. First up, IELTS Ready Premium offers you 40 full practice tests. That's right, 40. 25 of these are for IELTS Academic and 15 are for IELTS General Training. And you can access all of them regardless of the test you're taking. These tests are just like the real experience, helping you feel confident and fully prepared when the test day arrives. Whether you're working towards the IELTS Academic or General Training test, you'll find practice questions tailored to your specific needs. Practice makes perfect, and with such a wide range of tests, you'll have all the resources you need to improve your skills and achieve your goals. IELTS Ready Premium helps you to understand what you should focus on and gives you all the tools you need to improve your weak areas. Free practice tests are set up just like in the IELTS test, and with the feedback for listening and reading scores, you'll know exactly where you're at. For a small fee, you can also get detailed real-time AI feedback on writing and speaking. No need to wait. Get your scores and start improving straight away. Last but not least, you'll have access to all the live and recorded masterclasses. These expert-led sessions are here to help you tackle the trickiest parts of IELTS, from mastering speaking strategies to achieving the best score in the writing section. You'll learn directly from experienced IELTS trainers. And if you can't make it to a live session, no worries. All the sessions are recorded, so you can catch up and learn at your own pace. So, if you're serious about your IELTS score, give IELTS Ready Premium a try. The link is in the description. Now, let's take a look at IELTS Ready Member. Remember, this is free to access at any time. You don't have to have booked your test. Here are some of the top features. First up, you'll get 6 full practice tests covering all 4 sections of IELTS: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. These practice tests are designed to give you the real test experience, helping you get comfortable with the format and manage your time like a pro. It's the perfect way to check how ready you are for the IELTS test. IELTS Ready Member has a huge range of practice exercises for all the different question types you'll face in the test, from multiple choice to true, false, not given, and even matching headings. These exercises are designed to help you familiarize yourself with every part of the test and build your confidence. Finally, you'll get advice from real test takers who've been through the entire process. They'll share their experiences and top tips to improve your score. IELTS Ready Premium and IELTS Ready Member make preparing for IELTS a lot less stressful. No more hours lost searching for the right materials or wondering if you're practicing the most effective way. Everything you need is organized and ready for you. Just follow the link in the description below to learn more. Wow, such incredible resources, but we aren't finished just yet. I have one more recommendation for you. Let's finish with IELTS Coach. Just what you need if you're looking for teacher-guided preparation in the weeks leading up to your test. IELTS Coach courses are led by skilled IELTS teachers and are available in person or online. Depending on your needs, you choose the skills you want to focus on, and we offer a flexible schedule so you can study at a time and pace to suit you. You'll find the link in the description to register. All right, with all those resources ready for you, it's time to get to work. Whether you're just starting to prepare or getting ready for a test date that's right around the corner, these tools should help you to maximize your score potential. With all these fabulous resources linked below, there is no need to panic. Just go and get started. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, strategies, and updates from the British Council. Thanks for watching and good luck with your studies.